Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my first ever Lucky Bag unboxing from Beautylish. I'm so excited about this. I have no idea what is going to be inside of here. I've watched a few videos, but it's been the regular size. There's a $75 one and there's a $150 one. I don't know how I got lucky enough to get my hands on the XL, but I can't wait. I cannot wait to open this up, and I'm going to be truly shocked because, like I said, I have not watched anybody's video that had an extra large bag, and I have not cheated. This is still sealed. I kind of just scribbled out the top so I wouldn't accidentally show my address. But this is sealed, and I am about to open it up because I can't wait any longer. All right, let's open it up. Oh, I can't wait. I'm sure you guys have seen this a million times, but I have to show you as well. This is what the inside looks like. Oh, it's so beautiful. Usually when you get a Beautylish order, it comes like all packaged and little bows on everything, but this is in a thing of bubble wrap right here. So what I'm going to do is kind of tear this bubble wrap and then not peek and just dig into this because I don't want to know what I'm grabbing as I pull it out. So I'm going to tear this really quickly. My biggest concern with getting a Lucky Bag was always that, I'm probably going to get multiples of stuff because I have so much makeup and I'm always ordering from Beautylish. They have the best customer service. I love them so much. But I was like, you know what? It's going to be fun. I want to do it. Maybe I'll get some things to try out that I've never used before. And if I get something that I already have, if the entire thing is something I already have, well, then I have a whole lot of gifts. So I'm just going into this with no expectations. I've got something in my hand. I have no idea what it is, but I'm pulling it out. Okay, so this is from AUDETTE. It is the Heat Styling Shield. So obviously, this was another one of my concerns was getting too many hair products because yes, I don't have her, so this is definitely going to be a gift. I have used AUDETTE stuff in the past. Back when I had a pixie and my hair was platinum, I loved AUDETTE stuff. So I will definitely be giving this to somebody. I don't know who yet, or I could put it in a giveaway. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, no, don't look. I almost looked into the box. Okay, I've got something else. This is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It is the 5-year anniversary set. It includes Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. I do actually like his formula of liquid lipsticks. I actually had Androgyny back when it first came out, but with this, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm just going to go ahead and do it right now. I'm going to say right now, this is going to be a giveaway. I'm going to set this to the side just in case there's anything I'm going to add to it, so just keep that in mind. That is going to be a giveaway for this video. Digging back in, not looking. Ooh, good molecules. I love good molecules. Good molecule. I can't say it. Good molecules. There we go. Got it. This is the silicone-free priming moisturizer. I believe that I already have this. I think I got it in PR. I haven't tried it yet to be able to tell you guys if it's good or not, but I do know that I love so many things from this brand. They have so many different products. Like I love their hydrating serum, niacinamide. Like they just have so many different things that I really enjoy. And in case you guys are thinking, oh, you're looking in the box, I'm not, because I keep looking down to make sure I'm putting my hands where they're supposed to be, but I'm not actually looking in the box. All right, let's get the next product. Ooh, I'm just guessing from the texture of this is going to be an Anastasia palette. I'm just guessing. Yes, I do. I know my brands, you guys. So this is going to be a gift to somebody. The Sultry palette. This is one of my favorites from Anastasia. Let me see. I'm trying to think like my favorite ones. The Sultry. I love Soft Glam. I love Jackie's palette. Oh my gosh. I really like Carly Bible's palette. But this is one of my favorites because it is so, I'm not going to touch it because I'm going to give it away as a gift. I love all the cool tones and then the pop of coral in this palette is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, digging in again. There's more bubble wrap. Okay, I got something. What is Uma Absolute Anti-Aging Body Oil? Ooh, this is what the box looks like. It says it's the 2017 Glamour Beauty Awards. This luxurious body oil is the only moisturizer you'll ever need to maintain glowing skin from head to toe. Indulgent botanicals such as sandalwood, rose, and neroli, ooh, I like neroli, achieve an otherworldly fragrance as they rapidly soothe, lock in moisture, and deeply hydrate the skin. The bottle is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That's beautiful. Okay, I have to smell it. Anti-aging. Okay. I'm so stuffy right now and I can still smell this. Oh, it smells really nice. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried anything from this brand. Ooh, I'm just in love with this bottle. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, moving on. I pulled this the rest of the way out so I can get, what's this? Hold please. I need my tweezers. Use my tweezers for everything. It is a faux fur brush roll in black. Ooh, that is cute. Okay, I love stuff like this for when I'm going to travel, and it has a little magnet on it. So it just clips right over. And then this is the inside, and you can put your brushes in there. So when you travel, you flip it over, and then, yes, I love stuff like this. So I'm excited about that. There's still some stuff in this little pouch right here. There's two things. I'm going to pull it up. Is there more? No. Okay, so that's that. There's two things I have in my hand. Oh, yes. Sonia G. I can never have enough of her brushes. What do I have? This is the Worker 3. Yes. Oh, my entire box could have been brushes, and I would be happy with that. I love, 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 love Sonia. And I know I already have this brush, but I don't care. I have duplicates of her brushes, Wayne's brushes, pretty much all of my favorites. I have several of them, so I'm very excited to have another one of these. And then Hourglass Confession lipsticks. The box is a little messed up. I like these. What is this? I Crave. I don't know if I have this color or not. I know this name. No, I don't think so. This is a red. That's what it looks like right there. So, yay, not a duplicate. What I'm going to do now is go through and find the prices for everything and tell you guys how much the box is worth versus how much I paid for it, which was $150 plus $15 shipping, so a total of $165, but really it's $150 for the box. I'm going to start off with the Uma body oil, and that is $90. So the body oil takes a big chunk right there. So I already know that the box is worth it. The Hourglass lipsticks are $36. The Sonia G Worker 3 is $32. Those three things alone cost more than what the bag does. So I'm already, everything after this is just extra. So I'm happy with that because those three things are my favorite, and a little brush roll. The Oribe Heat Protecting Shield is $45. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette is also $45. Holy bejeebies, you guys. This set from Jeffree Star is $75. The Good Molecules Primer is $14. And then the last thing, the brush roll, is also, again, $14. And this seems to be something new from Beautylish, and it says on the little cardboard piece that was over top of this, Beautylish Presents. So I think this is new for Beautylish. So that brings the total amount to $351, which is more than double what I paid. So I cannot be mad at that. The things that I am most excited for are definitely to try out this oil. I have been really enjoying one from Tom Ford recently. I'll talk about it, but I am excited to try this out. I love Sonia G brushes. I love this little brush roll right here. So I feel like I got my money's worth definitely. But now I'm just going to do a little give back. So let me think. Okay, I think I'm going to keep the Sultry palette for a gift for somebody, but I'm going to do a giveaway. So the giveaway is going to include this set right here from Jeffree Star. I'm going to include the primer because I already have it. And then the Oribe Styling Heat Protectant right here. If you want to be entered to win these three products from my lucky bag, comment down below, leave me somewhere. I feel like you guys are probably just like so done with me having giveaways, but I like doing them. I like to give back. But anywho, comment down below, leave just somewhere for me to get in touch with you. The easiest thing is either an email or an Instagram account that I can message you on. And it's going to be a week-long giveaway. Let me see, what is today? Today is the 23rd, so I will pick the giveaway for these 3 items on the 30th. It'll be at 12 p.m. Central Time. Make sure you are checking whatever method you leave down below. If you don't comment and say that you actually want to participate in this giveaway and leave me a way to get into contact with you, you won't be entered. The only rules are you just need to comment and leave me a way to get in touch with you. You gotta be 18 and older or have parents' permission. It is international, void where prohibited. I will have all the information listed down below, but yeah, on the 30th, I will choose a giveaway winner. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.